Remote car starters have evolved significantly, especially in vehicles from 2020 onwards. Modern systems are now integrated directly into the vehicle's electrical network using advanced CAN bus technology. Today's remote start systems offer four key modern features that make them more powerful and user friendly than ever before. First, smartphone integration allows you to control your vehicle through manufacturer apps like Toyota Remote Connect or My Chevrolet. Second, enhanced security protocols use rolling code technology and encrypted communication to protect against theft. Third, extended range capabilities now include unlimited range through cellular connectivity. Fourth, advanced diagnostics provide built-in troubleshooting and error reporting to help identify issues quickly. Despite these advanced features, there are several common scenarios when you might need to reset your remote start system. You may need to reset if your system malfunctions and stops responding to commands, or after replacing the battery in either your vehicle or the remote transmitter. Programming issues can occur after electrical work or ECU updates. You might also experience range problems where the operational distance decreases or false alarms due to security system conflicts. There are two main types of remote start systems, each with distinct characteristics and benefits. Factory or OEM systems are built into the vehicle during manufacturing. They integrate seamlessly with existing systems and are covered under your vehicle warranty. Aftermarket systems offer universal compatibility and can be installed on most vehicles. They provide customizable features but require professional installation due to complex wiring integration. Understanding these system types and common reset scenarios will help you maintain your remote start system effectively and know when professional assistance may be needed. Before attempting any reset procedure, we need to perform essential pre-reset checks to ensure the system can be properly restored. First, check the battery levels in both your vehicle and remote transmitter. Low batteries are the most common cause of remote start failures. Next, verify the operational range by testing the remote at different distances and inspect all electrical connections for corrosion or loose wiring. For factory remote start systems, there are two primary reset methods. The key cycle method involves turning your key to the on position without starting the engine, then to off, repeating this sequence 3 to 5 times within 10 seconds. The button sequence reset method requires holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 15 to 20 seconds until the LED indicator flashes, then releasing to test functionality. Different manufacturers have specific reset procedures. For Ford vehicles, hold the remote start button for 2 seconds, then press the start button twice. General Motors requires pressing the lock button, then holding remote start for 4 seconds. Aftermarket systems like Viper require different procedures. First, turn the ignition on and off 3 times, leaving it in the on position. Then press and hold the program button until the LED turns on. Complete the reset by pressing and releasing the brake pedal. The LED should turn off, indicating the reset is complete. Always test the system functionality after any reset procedure. Remember that successful reset procedures depend on proper electrical connections and system integrity. If basic reset methods fail, consult your owner's manual or seek professional assistance to avoid damaging the vehicle's electrical system.